Hello, USA, Vietnam, Japan, or Brazil?
Let's learn simple ways to ask and answer, "Where are you from?"
In English. Hi, I'm Leo. Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we have an important mission. Our mission is to learn how to talk to new people, to meet new friends. It is very exciting, but sometimes it is a little hard. You want to ask, "Where are you from?" But how do you say it? And how do you answer it? Don't worry, I will help you. We will learn together. It will be easy. First, let's learn to ask. When you meet a new person, you want to know, where are they from? You say, "Where are you from?" This is the question. Please repeat after me. Say it with me. Where are you from? Good. Let's say it again. Slower this time. Where are you from? Very good. One more time. Where are you from? Perfect. This question helps you learn about new people. It is a very friendly question. Try it with me.
Imagine I am a new friend.
Ask me. Yes. You asked, "Where are you from?" Great job. Now you know how to ask. What do you say when someone asks you? How do you answer? This is step 2. We will learn to answer. When someone asks you, "Where are you from?" you say, "I am from," and then you say your country. For example, I am from the USA.
So I say, "I am from the USA."
Let's practice. Someone asks me, "Where are you from?"
I answer, "I am from the USA."
You try it. Imagine I ask you, "Where are you from?" How do you answer? You say, "I am from," and your country. Let's say it together. I am from, and then your country. Good. Very good. So, where are you from? I am from country. This is simple. This is important. Now, let's learn some countries. Many countries in the world. You can be from many places. Let's see some common countries. First, USA.
I am from the USA.
Next, Vietnam. I am from Vietnam. Then, Japan. I am from Japan. How about Brazil? I am from Brazil. Let's try more. Maybe Korea. I am from Korea. Or France. I am from France. And China. I am from China. Excellent. So many countries. So when someone asks, "Where are you from?" you say, "I am from," and then your country name. Remember these countries. You can be from one of these or another country. Let's do a quick practice. I will ask you. You answer with your country. Ready? Where are you from? Wonderful. You did it. You know how to ask. You know how to answer. Now, we learn the next step. After you answer, you can ask the other person back. You can say, "And you?" This is polite. This is friendly. It means, "Where are you from?" But it is shorter. So you meet a new person. He asks you, "Where are you from?" You say, "I am from Vietnam." Then you say, "And you?" This shows you are interested. It helps the conversation. Let's try it together. Imagine I am a new friend. I ask you, "Where are you from?" You answer with your country. Then you ask me back, "And you?" Are you ready? Okay, I will ask first. Where are you from? Good. Now, ask me back. Perfect. You said, "And you?" Now I can answer you. I am from the USA. So I say, "I am from the USA." You see? We had a conversation. We asked, we answered, and we asked back. This is very good. One more very important phrase. When you meet someone new, after you talk, you can say, "Nice to meet you." This means you are happy to meet them. It is a very friendly thing to say. Let's say it together. Nice to meet you. One more time. Nice to meet you. Excellent. This is a simple phrase, but it is very powerful for making friends. So, let's put it all together. We will meet a new friend. This friend asks you where you are from. You answer. You ask back. And you say, "Nice to meet you." Are you ready for our big mission? To be a super talker. Okay, I am the new friend. I walk to you. I say, "Hello. My name is Leo." Now, I will ask you, "Where are you from?" Good answer. Now, ask me back. Wonderful. You asked me. I am from the USA. Now, let's finish our conversation. What do you say? Yes. You said, "Nice to meet you." Fantastic. You did it. You completed the mission. You can now ask, answer, ask back, and say, "Nice to meet you." You are a super talker. Remember these phrases. Practice them often. Where are you from? I am from country. And you? Nice to meet you. These are very important for speaking English and making new friends. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Where are you from? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to White Eagle for more easy English lessons. See you next time.